Hi, these are the keywords for Key Stage 4 Bioenergetics unit. The formation of a form of respiration that uses oxygen to release energy from molecules like glucose. Okay, so it's using oxygen, right, to release energy, aerobic respiration. A form of respiration that releases energy from molecules like glucose without using oxygen. Okay, so there's no oxygen or very little oxygen, anaerobic respiration. Exothermic reaction, exo means giving out heat, which is continuously occurring in living cells, cellular respiration. The relationship between two values where one value increases, so as something gets bigger, the other value decreases. Inverse proportion. As the distance from a light source increases, the light intensity is inversely proportional to the squared distance. Okay, so that's one of the kind of parts of one of the required practicals, the pondweed one. That is the inverse square law, which is 1 over distance squared, and you need to remember that the distance needs to be in centimeters. A factor that limits the rate of reaction when there is not enough of it. So if there's not enough fuel or not enough heat or not enough of any certain chemicals, that's a limiting factor. The sum of all the reactions in a cell or the body is metabolism. It's not just how fast you process food, it's all of the chemical reactions in the body. The amount of extra oxygen the body needs after exercise, so when you can't breathe after you run 10 or 15 meters, right, to react with the accumulated lactic acid, which is kind of like the poison, to remove it from cells, is oxygen debt. An endothermic reaction is which energy is transferred from the environment to the chloroplast. So chloroplast photosynthesis is a very good version of an endothermic reaction. Okay, now there's not many in that one there really. There could have been a huge amount more from that topic. Right, but now what you've got to do is you've now got to test yourself. Okay, now do it again. Okay, there wasn't very many. Do it again and get them all right. Okay, now repeat it, right? Don't repeat it now, repeat it in a week, 2 weeks, a month, right? But just make sure you keep on going over them and over them again, because keywords is what gets you the marks.